Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So firstly, very important thing, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi connection, and then we can enter the Play Store, so let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and enter my apps and games. Oh, come on. Okay. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending. Of course, you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button, Update All, but you can also update only one of them or two of them. It's of course up to you. And all you have to do is simply find it in the list. For example, let me choose the Google and tap on Update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but it appears at the very top of the list. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all you have to do. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.